front of them.
No.
There's one thing you haven't done yet.
Now you're so impatient. You see, now I have a beautiful, fantastic
There you
wine.
go.
And this you can see here, it's difficult to see. It's a Vermentino di Sardegna. Okay. This word Costamolino, okay, is the name of the wine. And you can see on the label, this is 30 Vendemmie. Vendemmie means vintage, 30 vintages from this wine. So what it implies from this wine is that it comes from a vineyard that has been planted for more than 30 years.
Wow.
Most likely here we have also old vines. And I want to say something about
And this is totally honest, unlike the Reserva thing.
Well, this kind of a claim, as I mentioned, in Europe, this wine is from Italy, of course, from Sardinia, and you can see on my map, Sardinia is this is this large island just here off the mainland of Italy. And as soon as you claim something on the label in Europe, it has legal binding. So if you claim that this is from a vineyard that has 30 vintages, 30 harvests, it must be true.
Gotcha.
It has to be.
Right.
Okay. And so, whoa.
He's opening. There you go.
This is 1, 2, 3. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. The wine of Vermentino is fantastic because, you know, in 2 words, it's very easy to describe Vermentino. It is aromatic and it is crisp.
Okay.
And the best examples come from the seaside. Why? Because the constant sea breeze pushing into the vineyard really helped to preserve the acidity of the wine.
Okay.
And the key here for this wine is for refreshment potential. And what I'm very curious now is because this wine has been in an old vineyard, so hopefully we are going to have here from this wine a very strong impression of the character of the wine, the character of Vermentino being so aromatic and also so sapid, so lively on the palate.
Okay.
Yes, in fact.
Yes, in fact, just drink it.
You know, for me, I smell here a little bit of mango in this wine.
Okay.
A little bit of papaya. I smell a little bit of pineapple. Here, exactly what I expected. You know, there is a lot of expression. It's really expressing its vineyard very well. What is interesting, you can see Sardinia here. I'm going to point on my map. Sardinia is a beautiful island, more famous for vacation and beautiful beaches and fantastic history than for wine. But this Vermentino actually comes from the south of the island, And unfortunately, Vermentino is more famous on the north of the island. But this one being from the south, for 30 years already, it's been quite interesting. Now we'll taste it. It's dense, mouth-filling, and sapid, refreshing. Fantastic taste.
We got to go to the news. Hold up the glass and the bottle. Let's have the nice thumbnail. There you go.
Fantastic.
Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much to JC Frenzambat.